Hello, guys. Let's continue with our journey becoming an AI engineer. So today, if you've created a project before, when you open your Pycharm, you're actually going to see this screen, probably a project that you created before. And today we're just gonna briefly talk about few stuff about Python, the ones that we're actually going to use, as well as briefly about syntax, as well as writing our first program in Python. So to do that, you can go back to your project, or you can actually create um, a new project, and then you give it whatever name you want. So remember, a project here in Python is just a folder, so it's just gonna create a folder on this link. So in this case, um, we can name it anything like from the last time. So we can just call it tutorials. Yeah, we can just name it tutorials. And then, yeah, you can just leave this one checked again like the last time, or we can create, but I'll show you how to create one from scratch. But let's just create one here from now. Once you're done with this, you're gonna get to this screen with a bunch of um, code. But so the first thing that I'm gonna show you today is to how you can actually create our own file. So in Pycharm, so for you to do that, you need to be on the top folder and then just right click on it, then click new and then click file. So let's just name this file syntax dot py. So py is an extension for Python files, and then you just hit enter. And then here, that's the environment where we can actually write your code. If you remember what we wrote last time, you can write your hello world here and type whatever code that you would want to type. But I just want to show you one more thing that you can do, since I think from now on we're just going to be adding new files for each and everything that we're going to learn. So another thing is we can do is to configure the files so that we can actually run whatever code that is in that file. So for us to do that, you can just click on these three dots and then click edit. You see that initially there will be the py file, so you can just click on that and then just select the syntax one, which is the new one that we have, and just hit OK and then hit run. Okay, cool. Currently nothing will run because we don't really have anything here. So remember, for those that have no idea about Python and anything to do with IDEs. So this is like a console where everything that we write, it actually gets shown here on this one. So basically from the beginning of this course is all that we're going to talk about is going to be shown on this console. So yeah, besides that, another thing that I can actually show you here that we're actually going to use is this run button. So you're gonna be clicking this. So for example, if I just say print um, um, hello world here, if I just click this run, it's actually going to run this. Okay. Um, and another thing that we can actually do as well that I can actually show you is the debug. So this one, it's actually the debug tool. So let's say that we want to step and see the values that are being shown in each line of code. We can use this debug and we can put breakpoints there here. We'll talk more about that in future. That's all that I wanted to show you about um, the basics of Pycharm and what I think we are actually going to use it for. So I think let me just break this tutorial here and then I will continue on the next one to write our first program.